Hello everybody, Ron Price with UConn Learning. I thought I would chime in on the topic of multiple videos on the same slide, since I've seen a couple of screeners out there on this recently, and I'll just show you the easiest way that we've come up with for doing this. It's pretty simple to do, and you'll see here is a preview of a course, and you'll see 3 video boxes here, each with their own player controls. So I can play a video and I can pause it, or I can have multiple videos even playing simultaneously if I wanted to.
Hi everybody, thank you for being here. Hi, my name is Gary.
I'm Jim Taylor.
And I can also pause these if I needed to, and when I'm done I have the ability to come in here and hit the done button, and you'll see the hover control. So it has a slick look, a neat way of using multiple videos on the same slide. So quickly, how we did it was, you'll see that we've just dropped in a Quizmaker quiz. But there aren't any questions on this particular Quizmaker quiz. It's just simply one blank slide. We've imported it as a Quizmaker quiz. So let me show you what we did, and I'll open that up in Quizmaker. So here we are in Quizmaker, and you'll see that it's just basically one blank slide. And I'll double click that to open that up into the editing mode here. And we'll go to slide view, and you'll see how we created that. Quizmaker has great video controls. So for example, not only can I insert multiple videos on any particular screen by inserting the flash movie feature, but if I click on a video and go to the movie tools options, I have the ability to show or not show the movie tools. I can have them play when clicked or play automatically. If I choose to play when clicked and not show the movie controls, it'll pop a little play button here. The downside of that is you can play each video separately, you just cannot pause them. So the video controls gives you complete control. But this is a very simple way of adding videos to your Articulate Presenter courses using Quizmaker, not as a quizzing tool, but as a video player. Give it a try.